Good morning, everyone. This is Rokulabana Devyas from Aeronautical Engineering B section. Today, my topic for engineering mechanics tech talk is moment couple and characteristics of couple. What is couple? Couple is a pair of forces equal in magnitude, oppositely directed, and displaced by particular distance or moment. The simplest kind of couple consists of two equal and opposite forces whose lines of action do not coincide. This is called a simple couple. The forces have a turning effect or moment called a torque about an axis which is normal, perpendicular to the plane of the forces. The SI unit for the torque of the couple is Newton meter. Here, torque is equal to F into D. Independence of reference point. The moment of a force is only defined with respect to a certain point P. It is said to be the moment about P, and in general, when P is changed, the moment changes. However, the moment torque of a couple is independent of the reference point P. Any point will give the same moment. In other words, a torque vector, unlike any other moment vector, is free vector. This fact is called Varignon's second moment theorem. The proof of this claim is as follows. First, momentum is equal to, we studied earlier, is distance into the force applied. Here, moment is equal to R1 into F1 plus R2 into F2, because here we are studying the momentum is like, here we have seen this momentum changes. So there will be certain different forces acting at different points. So we'll be taking R1 into F1 plus R2 into F2 and so on. Now we pick a reference point P dash that differs from P by the vector R. We know R1, R2 are different various distances, and small r is the specific point P dash, which the distance from there to there is R1 plus R, and from R2 to that is R2 plus R. So here M1 is equal to R1 plus R into F plus R2 plus R into F2. Here, if we separate this, R1 into F1 plus R2 into F2 plus R into F1 plus F2 is equal to 0. The definition of couple itself says that the force all acting will be in opposite direction. So summation of force is 0. Here, the momentum is equal to the momentum is equal to R1 into F1 plus R2 into F2, so on, which gives a momentum of the starting. This proves that momentum is independent of reference point, which is proof that a couple is a free vector. And forces and couples. A force F applied to a rigid body at a distance d from the center of mass has the same effect as the same force applied directly to the center of mass, and a couple CL is equal to FD. The couple produces an angular acceleration of the rigid body at right angles to the plane of the couple. The force at the center of mass accelerates the body in the direction of the force without changing in orientation. The general theorems are: a single force acting at any point of a rigid body can be replaced by an equal and parallel force F acting at any given point O, and a couple with forces parallel to F whose moment is F is equal to M is equal to F into D, D being the separation of O and O dash. Conversely, a couple and a force in the plane of the couple can be replaced by a single force appropriately located. Any couple can be replaced by another in the same plane of the same direction and moment, having any desired force or any desired arm. Applications of this couples are very important in mechanical engineering and the physical science. A few examples are: the force exerted by one hand's one's hand on a screwdriver, the force exerted by the tip of a screwdriver on the head of a screw, forces on an electric dipole in a uniform electric field. These are some applications of couples. And the moment of a couple. The moment of a couple acting at A and B is given by M is equal to plus or minus F into D theta into M, whereas is equal to plus or minus F L M is equal to plus or minus F dot D sine phi, where F is the magnitude of both forces in the couple, D is the distance between A and B, theta is the angle between either force and the segment AB, L is the arm of the couple, and F perpendicular is the component of the force perpendicular to AB. Magnitude of the couple of a moment of a couple. The magnitude of the moment of a couple is given by mod M is equal to FL, where F is the force magnitude of either of the forces in couple and L is the arm of the couple. Moment of a couple using the arc cross product. Here, cross product r cross f is equal to r f r sine theta. Here we have seen this moment is equal to f into d into sine theta, which theta, if theta is 90 degrees, it automatically becomes the magnitude. The key points noted to bit. A couple is a pair of forces that have parallel and distant lines of action and equal magnitudes but opposite direction. The moment due to a couple is given by m is equal plus or minus f d theta sine, where f is the magnitude of the couple, d is the length of the line connecting the points that forces act from, and theta is the angle between f and this line. The main characteristics of couple. The algebraic sum of the forces having this couple is zero. The algebraic sum of moment of the forces consisting couple about any point is the same and equal to the moment of couple itself. A couple can't be balanced by a single force, but can be balanced by only by a couple, however, of opposite sense. Any number of coplanar couples can be reduced to a single couple whose magnitude will be equal to algebraic sum of moments of the couples. The end. Thank you.